Hi, this is Kyle from Pure Storage, and today we're going to walk you through how to set up vVols as supplemental storage with VMware Cloud Foundation. Quick prerequisite, we've already set up a couple workload domains as well as a management domain. So the expectation here is that perhaps you've gone through one of our earlier demo videos and set up a workload domain. In this example, we're going to use the NFS storage type, which enables us to connect to a iSCSI based array. So we're going to go ahead and connect into this vCenter instance that's running on top of Workload Domain 1. And again, you'll see our other workload domain as well as our management domains connected because we are in enhanced link mode. And the first thing we're going to do is, as you can see here, we've got 3 hosts connected to Workload 1 domain. And we're going to install a couple of modules on PowerShell. And the reason why we're doing this is to install our Pure Storage HTML5 plugin to this particular vCenter instance. So we've installed those 2 modules that are prerequisites, VMware Power CLI, as well as Pure Storage Flash Array VMware. Now we're connecting to this workload domain vCenter instance. It's important to note that if you want to install this plugin to the other workload domain vCenter instance or management domain, you need to individually connect to them and run this script as well to get full functionality out of the Pure Storage HTML5 plugin. Again, it's just a couple quick commands, get pvfa, and we're actually already installed. So the plugin has been loaded. We'll now go in and add our iSCSI based array. Simply give it a name. We're using the virtual IP address, and then pure user to add it. Now that we've added it, we need to first register it as a storage provider. We recommend that you create an individual vVols user that's an array admin for this VASA registration. So now, as you can see, we're registering our storage provider. And if we actually go up to our cluster instance, you can see that that iSCSI array that we just registered to the plugin is now also registered as a storage provider against this vCenter instance. Now we're actually going to add our 3 hosts as iSCSI hosts to this array. And we're also going to configure the iSCSI initiators on those hosts. We hop back over to the array GUI. Here we can see that those hosts have indeed been added as a host group to the Pure Storage iSCSI array. Final step is now we're going to actually create a vVol data store. Super straightforward. Select vVol storage type or data source type. We'll name it, in this case, something pretty easy. M70 vVols. Connect it up to that host group that we just created, and then connect it to our M70 iSCSI array. And with that, this is now going to be completed. You'll be able to see that our vVol data store is there. It's connected to our workload domain that we built via VMware Cloud Foundation. And now we're able to start to provision and move VMs over to it. Tune in for part 2, where we'll talk about some of the really neat things that you can do now that we have vVols set up against this workload domain. Thanks for watching.